Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to transform any photo into a super cool man in box styles animation using PixVerse. And the best part, it's completely free to try every day. First, let's open PixVerse. You can use it directly on the web, or if you prefer the app, just download it from the Play Store. And once installed, just go ahead and log in with your Google account. It's super quick and easy. Now don't worry about payments. PixVerse actually give you a free credit every single day, which means you can generate effects like this without spending a cent. Next, inside PixVerse, go to template, this one, and then in search bar just type man and box. This one, just tap on it. From here, just upload the photo that you want to transform. Just tap on use template and then just upload your photo. And once it's uploaded or selected, just hit create. And then go to mine and then wait for the process. And okay, like this, your video is ready. Let's try to play. And okay, your photo just turned into a cool min inbox styles image like this. And honestly, it's super cute. And okay, that's it. You have got your photo inside the min inbox effects. Super fun, super fast, and it looks amazing. Just try it out with different pictures and see what creative result you can get. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.